welcome to my channel, and today we will see Python loops. So in that we'll see for loop, while loop, along with some of the statements, which is break, continue and pass. So we'll start with our for loop. So we'll take one basic example where we'll just print numbers in particular range. So I'll write that for I in range. You can mention any numbers here. I'll mention it 10 followed by colon, and then we will print that I. So when I'll run that, I can see a number from 0 to 9 up to 10. Now this basically used to iterate over a list and iterate over a numbers or a string. So now if I'll take this example in a string, so I'll mention a name string where I will mention a name, and I don't need any range here, so I will remove that and mention a name. So here you will see it will print one by one like this. It will iterate over this string again and again. And now if I want to use an else statement when my for loop ends, I can use that, and I'll write print for loop ends. So now when I'll run that, I can see in else statement for loop ends. So this is how you'll use iterate over a list and a string, a numbers, anything, and then you can use else statement as well. And now we'll see one more thing, which is our pass statement in our for loop. So suppose if I'll not print anything here, it will give me some error because I didn't mention any statements here in our for loop. So this will give me indent error, and because our for loop will not doing anything. So let me just print pass statement. So this basically pass this for loop and bring back to us in our else, and this will print a for loop ends. Or I'll write a simple message, pass loop. So this is our pass. Okay, so when I'll run that, because I'm not doing anything in our for and I want to just print the else statement, so I'll do that. You can see here this is our pass, and this is how you execute your for loop with else condition and use in pass statement when you are not doing anything in function as well, in class as well, or in that for loop, while loop as well. Now we'll see while condition. So let me just remove that first, and I will remove that also. So now when we'll see a while condition will basically either you want to run your program forever or you want to stop it in one particular condition. So we'll just see the example of condition first, and then we'll see the thing where we'll just print something continuously. So now we'll see while loop, while a is less than equal to 0. I didn't declare a here, so let me just declare it first. A is equal to 0, so a is already 0, so now we'll just give it a 10 or 100, anything. We'll give 10 followed by colon and the print statement. I'm just printing a, and after that I will increment. So you can't use a plus plus like this. You can use a plus equal to 1 or plus 1. So this will basically increment the value of a again and again until it reaches 10. So when I'll run that, I can see 0 to 10 values. So this is done because I'll put that condition in our while statement. Now what we will do, will not give any condition and we want something to print forever. So I'll just remove this condition and give it while true, and in print I'll write how are you. So this will continuously print again and again. Now we'll see that like this, and when I cancel that, now suppose if I want to print it one time and after that I'll break this and print something else. Now after break I'll print while loop ends with break. So now if I'll run that, I can see here how are you. After that, this break statement will break this while loop and go back to our print, the next execution. Similarly, if you want, you can use continue for any condition. So this will continue until a certain condition will reach, like that. So if I'll execute it again, this will continuously executing like this. I'll just cancel that. So I hope you understand this thing and you can use it in your program. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for next video, and we'll meet you in the next video, guys. Thank you.